Hi guys, welcome back to Vishal Inside channel. Today in this video we are going to learn about the history of AI. Okay, why we need to learn the history of something else. Okay, why we need to learn. The basic question is why we need to learn history. Okay, when we are learning the history, the starting point of something else, it makes us to learn more and more about that. Okay, because the spark is a lot more different from the advanced features. Okay, so we need to learn everything, and the history is much more important than the advanced features. So let's continue to in this video. In this video, I'm going to concentrate in the primary development period of artificial intelligence because the timeline 1950s to 1999 is the primary development period. Okay, the basic developments for artificial intelligence has been done in this period, and some of the advanced development also done in this period. Okay, some initiatives also made and a lot more conference for the artificial intelligence has been made and okay, so not made and conducted. Okay, so these are the things I'm going to cover in this video. Okay, this video going to be a long video or a short video. Don't worry about it. Watch it every single second because it is more informative than any other video. Okay, because I put a lot more effort for this video because the history is a lot more important than advanced one. Okay, I think you can understand that. Okay, like this video guys, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to notify my videos. When I'm uploading a video, it will notify you. Okay, so don't forget to do these things and make sure to watch this video fully. Okay guys, let's jump into the video guys. Let's go. For the first, we are going to know about the time period of 1950s. In the time period, Turing test was proposed. Okay, Turing test was proposed. What is Turing test? Okay. In 1950s, a British mathematician named Alan Turing wrote a paper about computing machinery and intelligence. Okay, the paper name is Computing Machinery and Intelligence. Okay, in the paper, he asked the question, can machines think? Okay, the basic question he asked is, can machines think? Based on the question, he proposed a test named Turing test. Okay, Turing test. So in the test, he I demonstrated the computer can think like human. Okay, he demonstrated that computer can think like human. The basic process in the test is a person, okay, going to chat with another person and a computer. A person going to chat with another person and a computer. So the person needs to conclude that which one is human and which one is computer. Okay, in the end of the test, the person cannot able to conclude that this is human being, this is computer. Okay, so based on that, Turing confirmed that computer can also think like human. The Turing test is also known as the imitation game. Why it is called as imitation game? Because it imitates like human beings and also responds like humans. So it is called as imitation game. Okay, then we are going to the next topic. The next topic is going to be the coin of artificial intelligence. When did the term artificial intelligence coin? Okay, in the year of 1956, there was a conference held in Denmark. Okay, in the Denmark conference, the scientist named John McCarthy, he was an American computer scientist. He coined the term artificial intelligence in the Denmark conference. Okay, what are the things done in the Denmark conference? Okay, basically, there was a speech held for artificial intelligence and how machines can learn and respond like humans and how the future of computers going to be evolved like that. Many of the things has been held in the Denmark conference. Okay, the term artificial intelligence official birth date was 1956. Okay, in the Denmark conference, and also the field of study for artificial intelligence is done in that conference. Okay, both the introduction and the coining part is done in the Denmark conference. Then we are going to the next topic. The next topic is going to be the creation of chatbot. what is the creation of chatbot? Okay, the first ever chatbot created in the artificial intelligence history is Alexa chatbot. Okay, it was created by the scientist named Joseph Weizenbaum. Okay, he was a German American scientist. Okay, he was also a social critic. Okay, he warned us how we are going to rely on computer and artificial intelligence on the upcoming years after the 1966 periods. Okay, the Elisa chatbot is created in the year of 1966. Okay, so he was a MIT professor. Joseph Weizenberg was a uh, MIT professor. So based on his research and the works he also warned us. Okay, based on his research and works, he also warned us why the Elisa chatbot is created. The reason behind it, it is created for a research purpose, how the machines can respond, okay, like a human or anything else. So then it was also considered as a chatbot, okay, because it chats with human with the responsive way, like a human response. Okay, when you are typing a sentence in the Elisa chatbot, okay, the Elisa chatbot search for a keyword. Based on the keyword input, it will generate a responsive output for the respective keywords. So this was the working pattern. Okay, the pattern for running this Elisa chatbot is pattern matching and substitution methods. Okay, these are the methods are done for this Elisa chatbot. So based on this, many of the things has been done. Okay, we still now we have known about the three timelines: 1950s, 1956, and the 1966. Then we are going to explore a lot more contents in this video. So let's stay into this video. The next topic we are going to talk about is Japan's AI project in the year of 1979. Okay, in the year of 1979, Ministry of International Trade and Industries have launched a project named Fifth Generation Computers. The fifth generation computers is nothing but it was the futuristic form of computers. Was the futuristic form of computers. Okay, the project basically considered on the research purpose for 10 years. The research has been held for 10 years. It also aimed for 10 years only. Okay, but it took some years extra also because the project need to be concluded very clearly and fulfillmently for the research team. Okay, so the project was given for the Japan Information Processing and Development Center. Based on that, the Japan worked on it, and the Japan made every research for the generation computers. Okay, in the year of 1979, Japan till they haven't launched any AI projects in their country. So that's why they are planned to take this project and they worked on it. Why? Fifth generation computer is needed. The fifth generation computer has everything like NLPs, advanced artificial intelligence, logical programming, okay, and solving a huge number of problems and massive parallel computing. Okay, the ability of massive parallel computing. Like that, Japan have created a biggest impact in the fifth generation computers. Okay, that's it about the Japan's AI project. Let's jump into the next topic. The next topic we are going to talk about is natural language processing in the year of 1985. In the year of 1985, the researchers focused on natural language processing development. Why natural language process development is needed? Okay, because the computer need to understand what human level language is, how humans speak, and how I need to understand and how I need to respond for it. Okay, that's why the natural language processing is needed for computers. Okay, the researchers focused on it and they researched based on it. Okay, on the research, there is a conceptual theory also talking about, like we can include Sanskrit for NLPs. Can we include Sanskrit for NLPs? The researchers said no, we cannot able to include it because the Sanskrit is the hardest language comparing to any other language in the world. Okay, it is harder than Tamil. Okay, it is harder than Tamil. That's why the Sanskrit is not included in the NLPs. That's how the English is played a major role in the NLPs, and it is implemented to NLPs that can able to understand by the computers. Okay, that's all about the NLPs. Let's jump into the next topic. The next topic we are going to talk about is IBM's Deepblue Event. In the year of 1997, IBM has organized a chess match between the chessbot named Deepblue. The Deepblue is created by IBM, and then the match between the world chess champion named Gary Kasparov. Gary Kasparov was defeated by the chessbot. So the points between them was the chessbot scored 3.5 points and Gary Kasparov scored 2.5 points. The sixth match was the decisive match. Okay, this was the deciding match. So based on the sixth match, they decided that chessbot can defeat the human. Okay, so the basic running process in Deepblue is the Deepblue can calculate up to 200 million chess positions per second. Okay, so that can calculate up to 200 million chess positions per second. So this was the majestic growth in the artificial intelligence history. So in the year 1997, they have been evolving a lot more in the artificial intelligence. So this shows us the starting period itself, there was a majestic growth in the artificial intelligence, guys. So that's all about the IBM Deepblue Victory. So let's jump into the next topic, guys. The last topic of the video, the Robocup, in the year of 1999. Okay, in the year of 1999, there was a sixth joint conference for artificial intelligence has been held in the Stockholm, Sweden. Okay, in the year of 1999, at the month July 27. Okay, so based on that, they also planned a consecutive event for robots. The name of the event was Robocup. In the event, they planned a soccer match for the robots. Okay, in the soccer match, the robots need to think faster and strategically to win the match. Okay, based on that, they also proved and demonstrated that robot can also think faster and strategically. Okay, this was the main objective to showcase how the robots can do something else fair above them themselves. Okay, fair above them themselves. Okay, we can conclude that the robots which we are building that can also overcome our knowledge, our human knowledge. Okay, so be careful while you're building something. Okay, guys, from this video, I think you can understand the history of artificial intelligence. This was the part 1 video. Okay, the part 1 is consisting of the primary development period of artificial intelligence. So I covered the topics as much as I can. So don't worry about it. If you have any doubts or queries, please note in the comments. If you can't able to understand a particular point in this video or a particular section in this video, so please make a note on it. I will try to convey it in the next video. The next part is going to be the advanced and the futuristic development of artificial intelligence. So stay tuned for the video, guys. If you like this video, like for the video and share this with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Press the notification button to make notify when I'm uploading a video. Okay, guys, that's all about the video. Let's end this video, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.